Welcome! As you probably guessed from the title, I had a little bit of trouble with my Sennheiser earbuds, but not only, so I have a few things to address. I want to make clear that I am a big fan of Sennheiser products. I've been using these HD .50 BTNC every day for 6 years. Wherever I go, they come with me. And prior to that, my father let me use his old Sennheiser headphones, which sounded incredible. I've tried other brands, including Sony, but at the end I decided to buy these because they sounded good, had active noise cancelling and a great battery life. And I couldn't be more satisfied. This is not meant to be a product review, and I'm not saying that these headphones are the best in class. Sure, they don't have the most powerful noise cancellation, don't support the greatest and latest Bluetooth audio codecs, but after 6 years my experience is still solid. Although they are very lightweight, they are not always comfortable to carry around, so when I saw these Sennheiser CX True Wireless discounted for very cheap in a Black Friday sale, I decided to buy them. They have a 7mm driver as the Momentum 2 True Wireless and a very good battery life. Despite they don't have active noise cancellation, I started using them outside always more instead of my headphones. And I was pleased to discover that the Sennheiser app was actually good and had many improvements over the time. But why removing the old Captune app altogether from the Play Store if the new app doesn't support all the Bluetooth headphones released before 2018? Okay, fine, you know what? This isn't a big deal. I can live with that. So, after a few years of use, one morning I took my earbuds and put them in my ears like I used to, but I couldn't hear anything from the left one. So I tried to reset them, but I couldn't hear anything from the left earbud, despite the status LED and even the touch controls were working. My first thought was that I must have damaged them, or they could be defective. But unfortunately, the warranty was expired and Sennheiser doesn't sell spare earbuds for replacement for this model, like they do with their premium ones. I was a little bit disappointed. But a few weeks later, I found online a post of someone who is selling these Sennheiser CX Plus True Wireless in almost brand new condition. Okay, fine. Second chance. I buy them. They have a ton of features. Support better audio codecs, a proximity sensor to autoplay and pause music, audio pass-through. It was a deal. Believe me, these are fantastic earbuds and you can find them for a reasonable price if you're willing to spend some time searching around. Unfortunately, my story doesn't end here, because after a year of use without a single problem, while I was listening to music, my right earbud started emitting crackling sounds, before stopping altogether. Same problem, the status LED and touch controls are working, but it doesn't make any sound. To be honest, I'm a little bit upset. Am I the problem, or this has happened to other people? Searching on Google, I found little to nothing related to this issue. I wish I have more information to give you about. I've even disassembled them trying to troubleshoot the problem, which was quite difficult without leaving some scratches here and there. My best guess is a faulty driver, but fixing it is not worth my time and effort. For now, I think I'll be better using only my HD 4.50 BTNC, which are still the best for me. If you want to know more, ask me anything you want in the comments. And if this video was useful, please don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. Bye!